So I might not be a father just yet, but it's one of the things I look forward to in life more than anything else. I've been working on my body, my mindset. I've been in a long-term relationship for the last 8 years, getting married this year. I know what it's like to deal with the pressures and stresses of life, building a business, traveling the world, all that kind of good stuff. But I know when the time comes, when I finally have a kid, this is the thing that's always in my mind. This is one of my North Stars when it comes to actually stepping into fatherhood, is making sure I'm the fittest, most capable, most confident version of myself, financially dialed, physically dialed, mentally dialed, no vices, no reasons as to why I could ever let my family down. And that my friend, is one of the scariest things, because we put on so much pressure upon ourselves, so much stress, such an importance on being the guy, being him, being the father you maybe didn't have yourself, being the dad that always has his shit handled, always being the dad to some child's life, to your partner, to your family, to be the leader of the household, the leader of your own life. Because the thing is, right, kids don't listen, they learn through absorption. Right, I've been studying a lot on fatherhood. Quite frankly, 90% of my program, they've all got kids. They're all dads. But kids don't just learn through you telling them, eat healthy, do this, exercise. They listen and learn through watching. Seeing the leader of the household show up for himself, his routines, how dialed he is in with his fitness. The foods that he eats. Does he come home steaming drunk, angry, stressed? Can he buy them a bike? Can he even go take them to the park to ride the bike? Or is he fat, out of shape, unhealthy? Doesn't have himself handled, can't even play football with his son in the park because he's just full of aches and pains, backs busting, bellies busting. Like, that is the fear, guys. That is the fear for me, to not be the man I know I could be for the son or the daughter that I will have in this lifetime. And I know that pressure can scare you. And if you are becoming a new dad, if you are someone who's looking to have kids soon, then the best advice I can ever give you is get yourself sorted. And I do not care how much time or energy or money you feel has to be invested into this process, because it's probably the biggest investment you ever make in your life. Instead of focusing on the S&P 500, focus on the SME 500. Be him. Be the guy. Be the fucking father. Be the leader. Be the partner. Be the parent that just fucking wins. Be Superman. Right? And this is the thing. Like, you might think getting in shape requires so much stress, so much energy. It does not, guys. Even for me, I'm 28 years old. I built a very successful coaching company. I live where I want, when I want, around the world. I'm leading my life quite well. But this was never the case. I used to think that it used to cost more time, more energy, more stress. It was never the case. Building my body, guys. 3 hours a week in the gym. Strength training sessions, reverse pyramid, 3 45-minute sessions. A little bit of zone 2 cardio. Hitting my steps, hitting my daily fasting window. Eating the foods that I love without compromise. Loosely tracking calories, hitting 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, lean body weight, 13 calories per, pound of ideal body weight. These are the numbers we want to be focusing in on. Maxing out your sleep, maxing out your stress management, maxing out your purpose, guys, right? I say this because it's like, so many men that are dads, right? They need fucking hand-holding with everything. They're just big kids in an adult's body, man-child, All they care about is the booze. All they care about is still flexing on their friends. All they care about is hitting the football again. But what they should really care about, and what I know means the world, right? Imagine your daughter came into this world. Imagine your son came into this world and you were anxious, you were unfit, unhealthy, weren't mentally sound, weren't fully together with it on a physical component. You weren't showing up every single day with an undeniable bulletproof fucking standard mindset that they could look at you and be like, fuck, dad's got it covered. Dad always has got it covered. your partner can sleep easy at night knowing you're fucking covering it, man. And this is the thing where you go wrong. It's like you have put so much pressure and stress on yourself because of that assumption, but you still do fuck all about it. You do fuck all about it, and that's what needs to change more than anything. It's your action. You know, actions always speak louder than words. Oh yeah, honey, I'm going to lock in, I'm going to go to the gym, I'm going to lose this big beer belly and man tits that have grown over the last 10 years. I'm surprised your missus would even let you get her pregnant, if that's the case. Little Bambi's having a drink here. I mean, I'm looking after a little bulldog at the moment, so if you hear some lapping up in the background, that's the noise. It's not weird. I don't know. But you need to look at life logically. You need to look at life through the lens of the version of you that you have to be. Not who you want to be, who you have to be. It's a prerequisite to fatherhood. Right, I grew up with a great dad. He was a police officer, he was strong, he was fit, he was capable. He didn't push me into anything, but he got me into sport. Skateboarding at a very high competitive level, playing rugby, running, triathlon, marathon. Like, none of this was forced upon me, but it became such a part of me because it was a standard he held for himself. Same with my brother, the standard he held for him. Like, everything trickles down the ladder, and if the centre of the house is not fucking sorting himself out, then you're leaving the door open to massive volatilities, massive stress, massive pressure upon your family, because they can't rely on you. They can't rely on fat old dad to pull it off. And that's what needs to change more than anything else. So it's like, look at yourself, look at your environment, look at how you're showing up, look at how you're communicating with yourself, what your thoughts are, your beliefs are, what actions you're taking, what actions you're not taking, what you're still tolerating. You know, because fuck living a life like a man-child, out of shape, low energy, low frequency, low capability. It's not the way to live. So guys, if that is you right now, you know you need to level up your game. You know where the attention needs to be. You know you need to show up as a better father, a better man, a better leader. There's going to be a link below this video in the description. Hit that. I will send you a message on WhatsApp straight away. We'll see exactly where you're at, where you want to go, and how we can best get you there. There is no reason for a man in this life to walk through the world 30 pounds overweight, 20% body fat, still acting like a child, no emotional or physical control. We've got to regulate you, brother, install the peak identity OS into your life. And we got to get you winning as soon as possible. It's as simple as that.